Yeah, hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes and I'm the co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. You know how we do it over here. We talk about how to make money online and a lot. Today I'm here to show you how you can send money from Ghana to Nigeria or even Nigeria to Ghana without any fee. Recently, people do arbitrage with Ghanaians. Nigeria do arbitrage with Ghanaians and a lot, and they don't know how they can send money from Nigeria to Ghana, and they will not pay for any fee. That's why I'm doing this video to show you. Even the fee you pay is even small. Yeah. So you will download Eversend app. You will download Eversend app. Yeah, so after downloading the Eversend app, you verify it with your ID. And so when you are done, then you do this. So since you are sending the money from Ghana to Nigeria, first of all, you have to what? You have to deposit money on a platform. So you go to your Ghana wallets here and you go to fund. The fund, don't choose the first one, choose the second one. Fiancra link. So you choose the second one, then you open the link. So when you open the link, you enter your full name. Let me enter any rough name. Then you enter the Gmail that you use it on Eversend. After that, you enter that amount, then you proceed. Yeah, you follow the English, you proceed. So you get the money in your Ghana City account. So right now, you have to send the money from Ghana to Nigeria. Yeah, so we have two ways of doing that. So the first one is that you will let the person also create Everson account. Yeah, Everson account. So when the person create a Everson account and you go to send here, you see the person's number that will appear over here. You see that thing? Then you just click on it. Then you enter the amount you want to send to the person. You see, and the fee is for zero. You will not pay any fee. You see that thing? You will not pay any fee. The fee is zero. You will not pay any fee. Yeah. So the person afterwards create a person account and you send to the person. Or you can go to send and go to, let's say, bank. So the bank, you can let the person send you the bank, like his or her bank details. Then you add the bank. Then you send the money in the bank address. You see that thing? Yeah. I hope you get what I'm saying. I said the first one, you have to you have to load the account here. Then you go to your send. Then you let the person also create Everson account and verify everything. So when you go to send and you go to Everson here, you see that the person name will appear here and the country will be beside his picture. Then you click on it. If you click on it, then you enter the amount you want to send to the person and the person will receive the amount in his or her Eversend wallet and the person will withdraw it without any fee. Without paying any fee or any tax. It's nothing. Yeah, the same thing applies to Nigeria. So if you're in Nigeria and you want to send money to someone in Ghana, you let the person create Eversend. Then you also go to your Eversend and you see the person's name and you send the money to that person. You see that thing? Yeah. So this is how you send money from Ghana to Nigeria without any fee. And if you want to do arbitrage with distance, yeah, this is one of the main important towards send money from Ghana to Nigeria without paying any fee, and you will start doing your business. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and if you find this educative, you can also subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you for watching me, and I'm out.